Yes, hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Okay, my hair is looking so crazy. So today, it's time for a wash and a retwist with my locks.
I know.
Yeah.
Are they getting so long and thick?
Yeah, so like this is a part of the journey, guys. Like it's official, like this week I'm 4 months locked. It's been
how many?
4 months, man. Like, oh my god, it's like going so quick, right? I feel like.
Yeah.
So yeah,
Actually, I remember the first day you went to the hairdresser.
Yeah.
You were so nervous.
Yeah. I'll insert that clip of the video, my day one.
Day one. And you went in the car. I feel like I need to say bye to my hair. You're still using your hair anyway, it's not like you.
Oh my gosh.
But yeah, 4 months.
I know, right? Jeez.
120 days.
Okay. I'm enjoying the journey. Like I'm learning a lot, like what products I need to use, what shampoos I need to use, like just getting used to it. And like going to the loctician is just really expensive. So this is gonna be my second time.
Loctician?
I know, that's the word.
Oh wow, that's actually good.
Yeah, that's the word.
Optician?
Yeah.
Loctician, I like that one, yeah.
So it's gonna be my second time retwisting my own hair. I will show you this journey, and I feel like this journey I need to document it for myself as well, just to see like the journey throughout the months and maybe the years. Because bearing in mind I've been natural for nearly 10 years. I relaxed my hair when I was 14, and then I transitioned, going back to my natural state, natural loose hair when I was 18.
And here's me in the journey.
Yeah, because Harvey
walking hand by hand.
Harvey helps like wash my hair as well, just to make sure like all the shampoo is out and everything.
Well, I try my best.
Because like sometimes it's so hard to see the back. Yeah, you know what I mean? And like today, I need Harvey just to help me, like just to make sure like the products is like washed out properly at the back of my hair. But yeah. So the shampoo that
just like a good husband.
So the shampoos I've been researching this is called Carol Daughter's Wash Day Delight. So yeah, it smells amazing, aloe vera. So time to start washing, guys. So as you can see here, guys, I'm just getting my hair saturated with a lot of water before starting the first wash. And at the same time, just using my fingertips to like scrub and massage my scalp, because it was just needed, and it feels so amazing just to rub it in. Now it's time for the first wash. And as you can see, the shampoo has a nozzle where it's just so easy to apply it to your roots, your scalp. I love it. Like you won't even waste any products with the shampoo. It's amazing. So yeah, this is just the first wash. Okay, so now this is my second wash. As you can see, I'm using my fingertips to proper scrub in. Because I'm telling you, like, with locks, you just want to be careful of build-up and lint in your locks. So I'm trying my best to scrub it as much as possible, but not use my fingernails, if that makes sense. It's important just to use your fingertips. Gosh, I've only washed it and I feel so tired already. My eyes must be so red, right?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
Just a little bit, but it's just the heat as well.
Yeah.
Okay, that looks very, very washed and clean.
We'll see.
You're ready to start?
This is just the first step.
Ooh, is that towel
nice and hot. Time to start retwisting. Guys, look at the setup.
It's perfect.
Woo. Shout out to all the female on Instagram and YouTube that, you know, showed this setup. Like literally, this has made my day, because usually I can't, obviously none of us can see the back of our hair, you know.
Sure, yeah.
So
it makes it easy, isn't it?
So easy. So right now I'm spraying my hair with a mixture of rose water, a little bit of oil, and aloe vera spray. So I just mix it in this little bottle.
Nice.
Second retwist. Practice makes perfect, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Right? So we'll see how it goes. Still learning a lot about this. I'm gonna rub this in. By the way, guys, I ordered a scalp massager. I can't wait for that to come. It's so weird just to see this on TV. Look at the way technology is. You know what I mean, Harvey?
Yeah.
Why not say anything?
It's actually so cool.
Right, starting with the first one. Some people use their fingers, some people use combs to like retwist. It's like
Half.
half. So I'm just like, I find it easier to use my fingers, to be honest. Right, I've done 5 so far. Goodness me. So 5 down and 80 more to go.
Woohoo!
Because I have 85 locks, isn't it?
Yeah.
85, yeah. So far. Wow.
Nice.
My locks are getting thicker.
Mm-hmm.
I'm procrastinating. Okay, continue.
Continue.
This is so annoying. I'm tired. So far I've done like 4 rows. I'm trying to like sort out the 5th row, so I was trying to like angle the ring light to dip it this way to see how I'm parting this. I think it should be okay, right? So this angle, like this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try finish this 5th row here and then start going to this side, I think. Because bearing in mind my lock parting, what the loctician did, he made sure to do diamond parts, and I didn't realise that until I did my very first retwist. It gets tangled up so quickly. But yeah, so I'm trying to do this top bit. Right, let's do it. Who's back?
Me! I can't say.
I'm tired.
Are you?
Harvey's back. He went to the dentist. That just looks nothing like the picture I sent you.
I know, she doesn't have that same product, but she has tea tree oil. She said this should be okay.
Tea
tree oil, that's what she had. By the way, the supermarket, you know the market's ruined. The shop is not there anymore. So I went to the, you know...
It moved!
Yeah, you know towards your house, there's a hair shop.
Yeah.
Or there, that you just pop in once.
Yeah.
I went there.
Oh, that's why it took you longer.
Yeah.
Thank you, though.
That's okay. Is that good?
I hope it really helps. Wait.
It's made. It's the weak coat. Just living in there.
So I have to literally tip it this way.
Good.
So I can see the top.
Okay. It's nice, isn't it? It's looking pretty good, actually. Well done.
So hard, I'm so tired. Oh.
It's looking really good.
So this is where I'm at. I've passed the halfway mark. So I got like this bit, the front to do. And the front is always the hardest. I think when it comes to starter looks, you've got to be mindful of not to be very gentle with your hair. Especially because the loctician is the one that did the partings. And I've just got to be very gentle because you don't want to be ripping your hair out. This is why I part with my fingers. See? One thing I love about my hair, the women of my family, we are blessed with a lot of hair on our head. We are blessed with thick hair. I love it. Our kids, our future kids. Book your summer getaway now. Select a detail. Oh my god!
How's it getting on, Arthurine?
I'm tired.
Good.
But I feel like it's going well.
Yeah, it's going to go. Let me see. Let me see. Oh. Wow. You're basically three-quarters away from that.
Why are you shouting?
Oh, sorry.
My hair, like, one thing I've noticed about doing it this time, especially in the middle, my hair is starting to lock.
Good.
Lock.
I know.
Wow.
Wow. The locks are not ready.
They are not ready for me. My father should be proud of me. My dad has dreadlocks. Now that I'm getting to the front, I can actually use the big mirror now.
Ooh, someone is done.
I know. Time to do the worst bit. It's sit on the hair bloody dryer thing for like 30 minutes.
Yeah, but have you got a new one yet?
Yeah, this is the new one. Because the other one is just trying to make sure.
Well.
Hair dryer not included. How would the hair dryer fit in this box?
Thank you for the clarification.
Thank you. Nice to know.
That's brilliant. Okay.
Oh wow, so this one you get a little bag. I didn't get that for the last one. Ah, okay. I'm just thinking, where do I put this bit? There's this.
Good? Yeah?
So where does this go? I'm so tired.
Okay, after 20 minutes, trying to figure out how the hair dryer works.
Not the hair dryer.
Not the hair dryer. The head cover?
This thing.
Okay. But we got it. Look at her. Okay.
It's so annoying. I can't believe you took me.
Soft bonnet. Okay. We might have to figure it out.
Because Harvey even had to try it on just to try to see.
Yay! So how long? 30 minutes?
Oh yeah, start timer.
30 minutes like that. Hopefully we'll see the result later. And it'll be dry. Right.
What a day.
Right. Let's see. Anything to say?
It's going really well, guys.
Good.
Yeah.
You've done really well.
Yeah.
Well done.
Right. Finally. Oh, my stomach hurts.
How long has it been? Yeah, it's been like nearly 6 hours after.
No, it hasn't.
Or 5 hours.
Okay. The drying took me an hour.
It's supposed to be 30 minutes.
It's supposed to be 30 minutes.
Well, but at least it looks really good. Look. You're amazing. I don't know how you can do this.
Just taking these little clip things out now.
How's the journey with the locks?
Honestly, I'm enjoying it because like at least I don't have to do much to my hair like, in the mornings when I'm going to work.
Yeah.
Yeah. And it's a journey. Like I've been a loose natural for 9 years now before doing this. So I was like, you know what, let me try something different. Let me spice it up.
It's the second time doing it by yourself.
Second time, so you know, with practice it gets better. Yeah.
Yeah. I saw you more fluent, like more skillful today.
I know, actually, I was on it.
You were.
I was on it, actually. I think I was doing a lot better than last time.
You were, absolutely.
So done.
Just give it a couple more times, it will take you only an hour to do this.
Yes.
Yeah.
And my locks are getting thicker. Oh, do you remember when in day one?
They were like very thin.
They were very thin in day one.
Yeah, very tiny and
thin.
Very flimsy.
And it was...
Yeah.
Anyway, now it's time to tidy up and start to cook.
Yes.
Because I'm hungry.
Absolutely.
Well, to be honest, I've started clearing up a little bit.
Yeah.
So guys, I hope you enjoyed me washing and retwisting my hair. I'm going to document this journey.
I mean, doing nothing.
And
just supporting.
Yeah, just supporting. Document this journey. Let's see how my hair changes within this year until December. Oh wow.
Oh wow.
Wow. Wow. I think by December I'll be nearly 1 year locked.
Probably. Wow, that is a journey. We might need to put the picture or the video from the first day.
Yes.
And the last day. Whoa, shocking. We're gonna have tears running down our faces. Guys, I hope you enjoy. If you're not subscribed, please make sure you hit the subscribe button and the notification bell as well. And we'll see you in the next one.
Bye guys.
Bye bye.